Is this a good park up or a bad park up? Are you worried about leaving your camper van somewhere new, somewhere you've never been before, in an area that you're unsure of? Do you find yourself parking your van defensively so nobody can break into it? Or do you just want to feel safe when you're in your bed at night? Me too. We've not parked up, we've not visited attractions, we've not gone to places because something our gut was telling us not to park there. And I'm a firm believer of following your gut, but with a little bit of added security, we've started exploring more, visiting more places, and it's such a simple fix. Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sam and this is the Crafty Blinders Van Builds. It's a channel where we cover all things van build related, and we love to look at new gadgets that enhance our van life travels. And this is one of them. This is the 4-camera system from Blink. Since we fitted a camera system throughout our van, we feel a lot more relaxed. We feel a bit more safe, secure, and quite happy to leave the van unattended. So it's very easy to overthink things. I'm a firm believer of trusting your gut, but we've been in situations where we've talked ourselves out of parking somewhere because it didn't feel right for one of us, or we saw something we didn't like. But having a CCTV system, along with all the other security devices that we've got fitted to the van, gives us that extra bit of confidence, that extra peace of mind. So for a long time we were bamboozled. We looked at so many systems and they were very expensive. They didn't connect to the internet, or it was speaking to people who had installed them, said it was a bit of a palaver, and you know, we couldn't find something that we're comfortable with until an offer popped up on Amazon. I had a Ring doorbell. I got rid of the Ring doorbell because it kept playing up. It was a bit of a nightmare, and I bought a Blink system. Installed the Blink system throughout the house. So easy. The fact that you don't need to power these cameras all of the time is absolutely brilliant. You can just charge them up and leave them. They have little lithium battery packs in them and they last forever. We have probably charged up our system once in the time that it's been in the house. Then the penny dropped. If this works in the house and it uses such little power, surely I can fit it in the van, and we did. The Blink system also comes with a very, very efficient app. So just ignore these two sections here because we have a home setup and we have the van set up. But when you start, you come here, you click the plus button, and the first thing you do is you add a sync module. There's a QR code on your sync module. You would scan that, and they should link up, no problem at all. So here is our sync module, nice and healthy. It's telling us it's working properly. All we've done with this is Velcro it to the back of the cabinet. It sits there pretty well. That's some heavy duty Velcro. All we've done in addition is we bought this little lead here. That comes as part of a kit, and that was a plug kit that went around the unit. This unit actually pushed into it. When we realised that you could run it off a 12-volt supply, we did away with the plug and just used the cable, kept the cable. We also added a USB stick there for the memory, and it's been working fine since we stuck it in. It's the same with the wireless cameras, and you just keep repeating that process till you've got all of your cameras paired up with your sync module. It is so simple. You can even add doorbells, floodlight cameras, mini pan and tilt cameras, everything you want. I think that'll be the next thing for me. I think we'll put one of them in here. But yeah, lots and lots and lots of different options. Throughout the van we've installed these cameras. Now these cameras just click onto a little bracket there, and that secures on the back. Now we installed these. Let's see if I can get it back on now. There you go. Firm little click on the back on. So we installed these before Christmas. We charged them up in December, as soon as we got them. it's now May and we've not had to recharge these once. So we've fitted them throughout the van. There's one in the cab there that looks across and can see anybody walking around. We have one here in the main living area. We have another on the door. This one is brilliant because anybody that's snooping about can't even see it because we've got privacy glass. Some of our friends have doorbells. That's just a little bit over the top for me. I don't really want a doorbell. And we have another camera in the garage. So that protects us. If somebody does happen to break in at the back there, we have a camera on them and it should record their face. So let's run through some of the features of this little camera. So it has a 2-year battery life. It is weather resistant. It has high definition night and day view. 2-way audio. There's a little speaker there. There's a little speaker on the front. And motion detection. Also, you can link this up to your Alexa and control it through there.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
I knew she'd butt in. Let's have a little look at the app itself. There you go. This is our home setup at the minute. Flick over onto Dexter Van and we can just drop in and see what's going on in the cab at the minute. So this is just a screenshot that I took a while ago. Why is it taking so long? Oh, maybe I haven't set the phone up. But there you go. There we are. So you can actually let's come out there. We're getting a bit of feedback. So when you're on the cameras, let's go to the garage one. Let's go on door cam, see if that works. See how that works. It's taking a little while again just to boot up. Probably need to take that picture again. And there you go. That looks right out there. And that's what's going on out there. Yeah, we'll just turn the volume off. So having a quick look at the garage cam now. And this one hasn't been on for a long time, but there you can see that is our garage space. So if anybody opens that door there, we get a clear shot of their face. Dexter Van system is armed. There you go. So now we've armed the system, we just want to start triggering it. And there you go. That'll be the front camera picking me up doing this. So let's turn it off. Disarmed. Let's go and have a look at the clips. So we're on local storage here, so you can have it on the cloud if you're on one of the contracts. But if you've got a memory card in, you can just click one of the local storage devices. So let's have a look at that. And there you go. We're retrieving the data from your USB. And there you have it. There's me sat. So let's just drop into one of the cameras and we'll show you some of the features on there. So this app is really good. I like that bit where you can push to talk. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. We're gonna get loads of feedback, so I better stop doing that. Let's have a little look. You can go into more. This is all your device settings. You can set up your motion detection areas. Your general settings are there. Video and photo settings, audio, and your privacy. So lots of little things to set up there, and there's even a help section. But for me, this is an absolutely brilliant little bit of kit. Should we update that picture? Refresh thumbnail. So you can do that, and it will just update with an outside picture. There you go. Happy days. As long as you've got Wi-Fi in your van, you can fit this blink system. It is no issue at all. And when you're out and about, you can just drop on your phone, check what's going on, and give yourself that little bit of reassurance. You can arm it very quickly. As soon as you leave the van, you just flick a switch on the app. Basically, you just tap the screen and that's it, job done. But yeah, we can look at our home, and we can look at the van wherever we're at in the world. It is brilliant. So much peace of mind. And like I say, thanks to Dave and Bex for giving us the inspiration and the idea. It worked a treat. So the Blink 4 outdoor camera system retails at £239 currently on Amazon. I know when we got it, it was on offer, and I think we paid about £169. And we bought a couple of extra things like mounts for windows, and we bought a little short lead as well. So we come in just under 200 quid, and I think that is great value for money for what this system does. In summary, great bit of kit, value for money. Like I said, we got ours for less than 200 quid, but for less than 250 quid, I don't think you can go wrong with this. The fact that there's no cables to run, there's no wires to run, you can mount them indoor and outdoor. And I know there is some guys out there on the eBay and Amazon that are selling external mounts for these cameras as well. So I think they're about 50 quid though. They're a little bit expensive for me. I know if people could get the price of that down, I would probably have 2 cameras on the outside as well. But just a little bit too expensive at the moment. I'm sure our friends in China will be mocking something up as we speak, and on our favourite channel for our favourite platform for buying stuff, we'll have a system available very, very soon. But I love this product. This is why we're sharing it with you. Nobody's paid us to make this video or endorse this video at all. This is just a great product that we wanted to share with you. We have friends that have asked for this video for such a long time. Nick, Jen, this is the system I was on about, and I think you should get one, especially with the little pooch, so you can leave it while you go in the shops or if you need to do something. Great thing that will complement this system, and it's what we're going to do as well. We're going to get the little pan and tilt unit, and we're going to set it up somewhere so we can watch Boo if we have to leave her in the van, and that's another benefit for us. You know, there's some places you can't take your dog. If you want to go out for something nice to eat, don't worry, we've got plenty of ventilation. We can control the climate in here, no problem at all. And the dogs love it in here. They don't mind being left in here either. It's their little domain. But yeah, we think this will be a brilliant addition by adding the pan and tilt camera. So, like I say, nobody's paid us to make this video. We've done it all off our own back. And Blink, if you want to do something in the future with us, give us a shout. We do love these products. But thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, fire away in the comments down below. You can contact us on our website as well, sam at thecraftyblinders.co.uk. Just went blank there for a minute. And we've got some more security videos coming up. We have a security playlist, so we'll add this video there and the next one there as well. And the next one is door locks, added security for your doors. So a good idea to have. I've seen it on a number of vans recently, and we're going to fit one to Volker's van very, very soon. So he's on his way. He sets off today. When you're watching this video, the date's released. Volker's on the road, and he's driving across to our Crafty campout. Now, if you're watching this and it's Sunday the 10th, there's still a couple of tickets left, not many. We've got the weather booked. It's sunny, sunny, sunny for the next week and a half, I believe. So we're going to have a great time up in the Lake District. If you want to come, get on that ticket line. I'll put a little link along the bottom here, and we'll maybe see you there. And we've got a raffle as well, so lots of prizes up for grabs. Anyway, like I said before, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Why not head over to our website, thecraftyblinders.co.uk, where you can find out a little bit more about us and the offers we have on. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok to keep up to date with what we're up to.